He said, I'll not give you fish. I will teach you how to fish. वो बोलता है मैं मदद करूंगा, बट मैं मछली नहीं दूंगा तुमको, मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा कि मछली पकड़ते कैसे. Now see, this is what Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji is doing with us. He didn't just sit somewhere in the Himalayas or just built an ashram and sat there inside. Even in today in the lockdown scenario, what he is doing, even though he is inside, what he is doing, he is interacting with the whole world outside. He is teaching people how they can handle their minds. He is teaching people how they can handle their life. This is the spirit. This is the spirit that one needs to have. And learning from such a person, whatever you can learn from such a person, ऐसे व्यक्ति से, ऐसे गुरु से कुछ भी सीखने का मौका मिले, I tell you, बुद्धिमानी की बात है. और ये नहीं सीखना, ये बेवकूफी की बात है. कोई भी मौका मिले ऐसे व्यक्ति से कुछ सीखने का, वो झपट पड़ना चाहिए उस मौके के ऊपर. It is foolish not to learn. Yeah. So you see the ideology, जो फिलोसॉफी गुरुदेव जीते हैं, आप सोचिए इसके बारे में और फिर डिसाइड कीजिए क्या प्रायोरिटीज हैं आपकी. ये फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होना चाहिए. गुरु के तरफ लिया गया कोई भी कदम, एनी स्टेप यू टेक क्लोजर टू द गुरु, you will never regret in your life, because the guru encompasses everything. It covers your entire life. If you have read an intimate note to the sincere seeker, in that Gurudev clearly says God is a thorough businessman. The kind of time you give to the divine, that kind of service the divine gives back to you. God is a thorough businessman. We had a wonderful Africa VTP online. Yeah. And I tell you, इतने powerful experiences रहे हैं. मैं खुद भी सरप्राइज हो रहा था कि देखो, एक तरह से तो कितने दूर हैं हम, अलग अलग देशों में बैठे हैं, कोई तंजानिया में, कोई केनिया में, कोई मॉरिशियस में, कोई आइवरी कोस्ट, नाइजीरिया, साउथ अफ्रीका, so many different countries people were connecting from, but all just on one technological platform, and so much of learning happened. It was shocking for me also. मुझे भी नहीं लगा था कि इतना इफेक्टिव हो सकेगा. कुछ चीजें तो जो मैंने कितने सारे रेगुलर वीटीपी सिखाए हैं, लेकिन जूम कॉल पे बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस मिल जाते हैं, तो कुछ चीजें ज्यादा अच्छी हो पाती है इन एन ऑनलाइन काइंड ऑफ अ फॉर्मेट, जो रेगुलर फॉर्मेट में नहीं हो पाता. देखो, मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आपको देता हूँ. अभी आपको लग रहा है ना कि मैं आपके सामने हूँ. देखो 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 देखो, राइट? आई एम सो क्लोज टू यू, इजंट इट? But when you are sitting in a hall, there are 50, 100 participants sitting. The participants who are at the back, do they feel that the teacher is sitting right close to me? They don't. And the teacher also finds it so difficult to maintain, that close eye contact with the participants at the back. So definitely that gets affected. But right now, all of you are within 12 inches of me, and I am within 12 inches of you. It can't get closer than this. Closer than this will get too romantic. Better to avoid. है कि नहीं? So there are a lot of advantages. This is just one thing जो मैंने point out किया है. There are a lot of advantages to doing programs online. अच्छा, and regular programs में वो breaks में इधर जाओ, उधर जाओ, ये करो, वो करो, उसमें distraction हो जाता है. पूरा कोर्स से थोड़ा सा फोकस डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. बट इन एन ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम दैट डजंट हैपन. आपको कोई जाना ही नहीं पड़ता. आप मैक्सिमम इस रूम से दूसरे रूम में जाओगे, खाना खाओगे, वापस आ जाओगे. Isn't it? So there is no distraction. You are with the knowledge of the program the entire time of the program. तो ऐसे अगर आप देखोगे ना, you will make a list of 25-30 advantages of being in an online program. Yeah. ओके, तो ये बात तो दिमाग से हटा दो, इसकी भी कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. जब भी गुरुदेव ने कोई प्रोग्राम ब्लेस किया है ना, तो एटलीस्ट आई थिंक हमको इतना तो अक्ल है ये समझने में कि गुरुदेव को मुझसे ज्यादा अक्ल है. तो उतना काफी है. अगर आप उतना भी समझते हो तो काफी है. बट इफ यू वांट टू चैलेंज गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर's decision, then God bless you. Okay, so the next point which I want to mention is, it's an infinite platform that you get when you are an instrument of the Guru. It's an infinite platform. What I mean by infinite platform? See, Gurudev once made a very beautiful statement. We don't get distracted. Absolutely, fellow participants, देखो सब लोग म्यूट पे है, no distraction, है कि नहीं? तो yes श्वेता, you're absolutely right. Yeah, और बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं दूसरे भी. Okay, तो गुरुदेव ने ये स्टेटमेंट किया था एक बार कि the master opens a window of opportunities in your life. How much you can look through the window and do is in your hands. I'll repeat this. The master opens a window of opportunity in your life. How much you can look through the window and do is in your hands. एक संभावना खोल देते हैं गुरु. ओके, एक चिंगारी मिल जाएगी आपको. उस चिंगारी को आप आग में भड़का सकते हो कि नहीं, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. वो चिंगारी जली, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, वो बुझ जाएगी. The spark will get extinguished, but if you have the intelligence, common sense, and if you put the effort to convert that spark into a flame, into a blazing fire, then you are going to make a difference to your life, and that is totally in your hands. So I tell you, it's an infinite platform and you have no idea what's in store for you. देखो, every Art of Living program that I have done, I have felt, oh my God, मैं तो एक दो चीजों के लिए आया था, लेकिन इसमें से इतना कुछ होगा ये मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. आई एम श्योर आपका भी अनुभव ऐसा रहा होगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री टू माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द प्रोग्राम? जस्ट टाइप ए इन द चैट इफ यू अग्री. Analogies are brilliant. Yes, I've got used to now analogies. So if you keep learning from Gurudev, you get highly rewarded in life. Okay, so many of you agree, isn't it? हर प्रोग्राम जो हमने किया, हमको ये बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि अरे बाप रे, हम तो ये दो चीजों के लिए आए थे, हमको मिल गई 200. Isn't it? Yeah. So it's an infinite platform that the master offers. Right? Okay. Now another excellent story. I heard this from Swami Vaishampayan ji. So he said, देखो, एक गुरु और एक शिष्य जंगल में से चल रहे थे. They were walking through a jungle, guru and a disciple, and walking. They felt very tired. They thought, they should rest. Now they saw from the opposite side there was an elephant walking towards them. It was not a wild elephant. It was an elephant, and the mahout of the elephant was sitting on top of the elephant and guiding the elephant. So a thought came in the mind of the guru. He told the disciple, why don't you go and ask that mahout, can he donate his elephant to us? The disciple gave a very surprised look to the guru. But Gurudev, it looks like that elephant is his only possession, and it's an elephant. I mean, it is not some chiller 5 rupees, 10 rupees thing. It's an elephant. So why will he give us the elephant? वो अपना हाथी कैसे देगा? हाथी है भाई, वो चूहा थोड़ी है. तो गुरुदेव बोलते, अरे तुम पूछ तो लो, मांगने में क्या हर्ज है? You can just ask what's the harm. Okay, the disciple, he takes 2 steps and he says, but Gurudev, do you think he'll give the elephant to us? I don't think so. Gurudev says, okay, at the most he'll say no, but why don't you go and check? So again he takes 2 steps. Again the disciple says, Gurudev, I think it's a stupid idea. There is nobody is going to just donate an elephant to somebody who they don't know, who they are meeting for the first time in life. Why? कोई क्यों देगा अपना हाथी किसी को? Mahout is the one who is the caretaker of the elephant, who guides the elephant. Yeah. तो गुरुदेव फिर एक बार बोलते हैं, फिर भी ये डिसाइपल हिचकिचाता है. Then the guru tells him, see, understand, there are 2 possibilities. He might say no. Okay. If he says no, have we lost anything? We have lost nothing. Just imagine if he says yes, then we will have got an elephant. Do you understand? अगर बाय चांस वो हाँ बोलते हैं तो हाथी मिलने की संभावना है, और खोने तो कुछ नहीं वाले हम. तो फिर पूछने में क्या हर्ज है? And the disciple gets it. The story ends there. Don't ask me then what happened actually. Okay. The point is, when you are doing anything connected to the Guru, there you have nothing to lose and you have the chance of getting the world. You know, मिलेगा तो इतना कुछ मिल सकता है, हाथी मिल सकता है, खोगे कुछ नहीं. In fact, whatever you will lose only negativity. What you are supposed to lose, what is better to lose, वही खोगे तुम. How many of you like this story? Please type L. If you like this story, please type L. And I also want to know, अभी थोड़ा और कष्ट उठाओ, and maybe one word or two words. What is the inspiration or learning you got from this story? Please type it out. What is the learning or inspiration or realization you got from this story? You have nothing to lose. Just do when the Guru says, okay, be open to possibilities. Boss ne bola to karne ka. Trust on Guru. You lose negativity. Nothing to lose. Rid of negative thinking. Take faith when you have Guru in life, no doubts. Just take action without doubt. Brilliant. Drop the inhibitions. Excellent. Be available. The more you face resistance, okay, don't doubt. Wow. Fast learners, huh? All of you. Okay. Now, one thing, because you have faith, drop the judgment. Seva is a celebration. Seva is a celebration. This we need to understand. Sharing my joy with someone else is seva. Sharing my love with someone else. Once Gurudev also said this, love in action is seva. Caring for someone out of love, you are contributing to somebody's life. That is seva. Seva also means sa plus eva. One of the meanings of this in Sanskrit is being like God. Being like God. So see, Gurudev's approach, I find it, so generous and compassionate that he gives an opportunity to people to become his instrument. Hari ke hazaro haath kehte hain na. He gives an opportunity to people to take his position. As a trained volunteer, you become a representative of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Wherever you go, you represent him. It is not easy. Whichever company you are working in, we have here Sudarshan who works for Amazon. When did the CEO of Amazon allow Sudarshan to take his seat in any program? Nilay, you are working for a company which is connected with SAP. When did the CEO of your company allow you to take his position to represent him for some program which he's supposed to go? Has he ever sent you? It will never happen. Corporate world में इतना दम ही नहीं है, ना उनका दिल इतना बड़ा है. इसके लिए दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए और गट्स होना चाहिए, गट्स, कि किसी को हमारी पोजीशन लेने का मौका दिया जाए, है ना. और वो व्यक्ति जब वो इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन लेता है तो देने वाला आदमी छोटा नहीं बनता, लेकिन वो बड़ी पोजीशन लेने वाला आदमी जरूर बड़ा बनता है. गुरुदेव उनका पोजीशन मुझे देके गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर छोटे नहीं बनते, लेकिन मैं जरूर बहुत बड़ा बन जाता हूं. ऐसे गुरुदेव एक एक का ग्रोथ करा रहे हैं. तो उनके प्रति न जुड़ना मतलब अपनी ग्रोथ को रोकने वाली बात है. चॉइस इज योर्स. Okay, point number 4. Have you asked yourself this question, that whenever I present or propose something to my colleagues or friends or neighbors or relatives, what is the impact on their minds? जब मैं कुछ प्रेजेंट करता हूँ मेरे फ्रेंड्स को, मेरे दोस्तों कि चलो यार लेट्स वॉच दिस मूवी, और लेट अस हैव अ डिनर ऑन Zoom, or anything, it can be anything that you present, what is the impact it carries? How many people actually want to say yes to you? ये कभी चेक किया है आपने कि आपने ऐसा कुछ प्रपोज किया, कितने लोग आपके प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं? ये बहुत चेक करने वाली बात है. उससे पता चलेगा कि आपकी धृति इज लाइक अ टाइप ऑफ शक्ति. कितनी शक्ति है? व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज ऑफ योर वर्ड्स? Like, there are some there are some wires in which the little low voltage, there is electricity running. You touch them, you hardly feel anything. But there are some wires, you can't even dare to touch them. You will burn. So I'm asking you, have you asked yourself, what is the voltage of your words? When they fall on people's ears, do they touch them? Do they have any impact on them? Or do they have no impact? Or do they have an impact that, they start feeling, oh my God, what was that? Ye to Akashvani thi. Golden words. I have to do something about this. Ye jo aadmi bol raha hai, ye to karna chahiye. तो अगर ये हो रहा है आपके जीवन में, so that means there is an authority, there is a command that you have got. And if this is not happening in your life, then there is no authority, there is no command. Then you will find yourself only demanding in life, and demands will create stress, and stress will create negativity and frustration. Are you able to command? Then you are going to grow effortlessly. This is something really every professional, whether even a non-professional person, even a housewife has to think about this. अरे बच्चों को संभालना, बाकी घर के लोगों को संभालना, हमारे शब्दों का असर हो रहा है कि नहीं लोगों के ऊपर? This is very important, and that is part of the training in a volunteer training program. Okay, now tell me one thing. In tough times, in the real tough times, critical, there must have been so many phases in your life, कुछ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए होंगे जब भी ऐसा लगा कि बाप रे क्या हो रहा है ना, कैसे अभी इसमें से बाहर निकलेंगे, how will I come out of this situation? And that time somehow you came out of that situation. कुछ तो आपने किया, तभी क्या दाव पे लग गया? What was it that brought you? What was those core things about you that brought you out of that situation? Can you put one or two words? That tough situation, adversity, कुछ आपत्ति आ गई, maybe an emergency kind of a situation, maybe some financial crisis you went through, a breakup you went through, or some professional challenges, faith, courage, surrender, patience, skill, positivity, grace, willpower, surrender, silence, grace, acceptance, unseen power, time and grace. Time. Remember Gurudev, faith and trust, surrender to the situation, more strength, knowing that it will change, positive attitude, smile and peace, realization that everything will end. Beautiful. Lovely answers. Listen to Gurudev's video. Patience, surrender, faith, positivity. Correct. Do you notice nobody wrote Netflix? Huh? Nobody wrote pizzas. Nobody wrote boss. Nobody wrote memories with my girlfriend. All those evenings in CCD. Check in your life in what you invest your time. And check what actually is giving value to your life. All those evenings in CCD, did not play a pivotal role in bringing you out of a calamity. All those, socializing that you did, the time you spent on Facebook, the time you spent on reading WhatsApp jokes, did not bring you out of the critical situations of your life. Nobody has written it. I'm talking from what you have written. This is not my answer. This is your answer. देखो क्या रोल प्ले करता है रियली क्रिटिकल वैल्यू एडिंग रोल, प्रेशियस चीजें क्या है लाइफ में, और हम अपना समय, अपने पैसे, अपनी एनर्जी कहाँ डाल रहे हैं, ये चेक करने वाली बात है. अभी यहाँ पे एक अपील किया जा रहा है आपको, वॉलंटियर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम करो. जो वीटीपी कर चुके हैं, जब भी मौका मिलेगा टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम जाके करो. जब भी ऐसा कोई प्रोग्राम अब जब तक अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है, फंक्शन in your role and in the capacity of a volunteer. Organize Art of Living courses. Gurudev is getting millions of people to meditate. Can you get 10 people to meditate? Can you get 10 people to learn the Sudarshan Kriya? I'm giving you this guarantee. I have done in my life and it has happened. You may be in the worst of the situations, the worst. You may be emotionally totally broken. I tell you, enroll 5 people for any Art of Living course. A miracle will happen in your life. A miracle will happen in your life. Life will completely turn around. This is a guarantee from my experience to you. कितना भी नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन में हो तुम, इमोशनली टोटली फॉलन हो, कुछ भी हो, यू आर फीलिंग द लोवेस्ट इन योर टाइम्स, enroll 5 people for any Art of Living program, and I tell you, your life will change overnight. In fact, Gurudev ने कहा था, anytime you feel low, get up and do something and get a smile on someone's face. Anytime you feel low, get up and do something and get a smile on someone's face, and you see how it brings out a shift. So जो critical things है ना, उसको value दो life में, क्योंकि उन्हीं से तुम्हारे life को value मिलती है. What gives value to your life? You please value those things. देखो अल्टीमेटली टेक्नोलॉजी, मॉडर्न साइंस, ये सब कर करके जब डॉक्टर भी गिव अप करता है ना, तभी सब लोग ऊपर वाले की तरफ ही देखते हैं, है कि नहीं? डॉक्टर ही खुद बोलता है अभी बस प्रार्थना करो. तो क्यों हम ऊपर वाले को लास्ट में याद करते हैं? अरे ऊपर वाले को साथ में लेके चलो, वॉक हैंड इन हैंड विद द डिवाइन. व्हाई आर यू कीपिंग डिवाइन समवेयर डाउन देयर? उसका व्हाट्सएप मैसेज इतना नीचे चला गया, तुमने पढ़ा भी नहीं. ऊपर वाले के चैट को पिन किया करो भाई, कि जब भी आएगा वो टॉप में ही दिखेगा. Okay, and the last point, dealing with doubts. So I'm going to give you 5 ingredients of success which I heard live from Gurudev. This was during a Mahashivratri satsang in Jaipur many years ago. I don't remember, 12-13 years ago. And I had purchased a new Canon or some good camera. Gurudev was walking on the ramp. It was satsang time. Sunset was about to happen. So I cannot describe to you what that sight was. Gurudev walking on the ramp and the sun in the backdrop, and the sun is now slowly going to set. The colors are changing, and accordingly that shimmer of that sunlight on Gurudev's face is giving a different complexion to Gurudev's face, and that radiant glow from Gurudev's face is is changing its colors, from crimson red it is becoming with a touch of orange, then with a touch of yellow and things like that. It was so beautiful, I tell you. Now Gurudev started saying, okay, यशस्वी होना है तो 5 चीजें जरूरी है. तो मैंने मेरा कैमरा सब नीचे रख दिया. मैंने बोला काम की बात आ रही है, बराबर सुन लो, फोटोग्राफी बाद में हो सकती है.